Hey everyone, my name is Galen, and I'm on the product team at Guesty. Today, we'll be talking about our platform's pre-stay tools and how they can help you be better prepared for your guests. As you know, from the moment you get a booking, there are a number of different items that your team needs to check off their list before guests can enter your properties, beyond just scheduling cleanings and sending check-in instructions. First, what if the person booking a stay with you isn't who they say they are? Perhaps you want to run a quick background check on all your incoming guests through a third-party provider to make sure they don't pose any known risk to you or your properties. Or what if their identity isn't even real? That would obviously be a red flag, and we assume you would want to know those details before that guest enters your property. And wouldn't you want to verify your payments from guests beforehand too? What if they are committing fraudulent acts like using a fake or stolen credit card? Or what if a guest makes a false chargeback claim? You'd want to make sure you had their signed acknowledgement of the payment in that case for sure. There are also tax and compliance purposes where pre-stay measures can come in handy. Perhaps your properties are located in a country that requires guest passports to be sent in to local authorities at the beginning of their stay. And what about your rules for each property? In the case that anything is broken, damaged, or stolen, it will be hard to make your claim without signed acknowledgement of your property rules and regulations. Another thing to remember is that there's also important data you need to collect from guests, which can be used in a few different capacities to ultimately help you provide the best experience possible. From finding out their arrival and departure times to learning if guests have any special requests, or gaining contact information to be able to email guests for future updates. This is all important information to learn before guests arrive in order to properly prepare for their arrivals. These are all potential pain points that we aim to solve with our pre-stay tools on the Guesty platform. By covering these items before guests arrive, you'll be keeping your business and your properties safe from a slew of risks that can occur before or during a stay. Simultaneously, you'll be providing a better guest experience, as you won't be hassling those staying at your properties with constant messages before their stay requesting information. Similar to you, they will appreciate having everything done easily and swiftly before they enjoy their stay. When you have a simple and automated way to gather all this information, you'll rest easy at night, knowing your assets are protected and your guests are having the most seamless experience possible. You'll also have the added coverage you need to create a direct booking channel, if you don't have one already. By having these measures taken care of, you will decrease your need to use online travel agencies, and you'll have the foundation you need to securely start collecting bookings via your own booking channel.